At U.S. Cargo Control, what you want when you need it is more than just a slogan or philosophy. It's the foundation on which we were built. With humble beginnings in our founder's garage, it was always our goal to make customers feel understood and taken care of. Even now, more than 20 years later, with in-house manufacturing, thousands of products, with over 200,000 square foot of warehouse space across multiple U.S. locations, our goal remains the same: to understand our customers better than anybody, and to get you what you want when you need it.
In the trucking, rigging, and moving industries, product and service needs are time sensitive. Getting you what you want when you need it looks a bit different for every customer. Our dedicated teams allow us to be highly responsive in finding the right solutions for all of our customers.
Whether visiting us at uscargocontrol.com or speaking to your dedicated service representative over the phone, we always strive to get you what you want when you need it.